Random. Random.
Ito na lahat. Ba't mo sinilabo ka? Eh, hindi ko nagustuhan, kaya binura ko na lang. Sana pinakita mo sa akin.
New video! New video!
Ano naman nung wala akong film eh. Di ba eh, anong yung film ako, yun ang tak na gusto ko yung ginawa ko. Pero for Diyos, ko naman magbabayad eh. May putasyon ko nakataya. Eh, bakit hindi naman padilya? Eh, pakipakita sa iyo na hindi ako sumisip.
New video. Why skip? Where?
At kailan naman darating yan?
Why is the algorithm showing me a bunch of new videos? I don't know. Let me react to.
Ang ibig sabihin, sa elevator pa lang, naisip ko na ang mukha na ilalagay ko kay Maria Clara.
Let me react to all of the new video.
I guess this is my first video on this YouTube channel, and I want
First video.
to do animation on this YouTube channel. Like this too.
Is there more?
Yeah, they're awesome. I know, and I hope they notice me. If they notice me, that will be very good. I will be happy. So I hope you like this video, my first video. I know it's not gonna have lots of views, I know, and I hope you like it very good. It's so amazing, fun, and they're awesome, I know, and I hope
You're too.
if they notice me, that will be
He has already.
very good. I will be happy, so I hope you like this video.
What's crazy is this 3 years ago. He has already. It's not 3 years. It's just 3.
Bye. I will be happy. It's too amazing, woman. Yeah, they're awesome.
300
I hope they
300 subscribers already. While me, even though it's been a year,
It's too amazing,
ah,
woman. Yeah, they're awesome. I know, and I hope.
but me still waiting for 100 subscriber, even though I've been a year
This is
now.
my first video on this YouTube channel, and I want to do animation on this YouTube channel. Like this two amazing woman. Yeah,
Yay.
they're awesome. I know, and I hope they notice me. If they notice me, that will be honest, very good. I will be happy. So I hope you like this video, my first video.
By the way, I promise myself to react to a so-called new to first video, because I've been seeing a bunch of new videos, and 2 of them is already having a lot of subscribers, even though it's just first video, their first video in just, I don't know, months, weeks, days.
I know it's not gonna have lots of views, I know, and I hope you like it, and bye.
Hey, this is my first video. Oh, and my name is Catherine, more commonly Katie, but you can also call me Katie. And remember, I'm not a professional animator. I try my best. I draw, and honestly, it's hard. If you like, please subscribe to my channel. And I think that's all for this video. Bye.
Hindi po.
Ito kakain, laging manok ang ulam.
Matigat to. Sa swerte kayo rito, yayaan mo pa kayo.
Paunan niya, nawawala. Baka nandito ka sa loob.